It going today, I'm going to tell you guys SketchUp versus Rhino 3D, which one you should go for. Now, if you're just a beginner and you're just starting out in 3D modeling, then I would say SketchUp is the way to go because it has easy learning and all those things. It's user friendly and you can create 3D shapes and all that pretty much very much simply. Now, if you are a professional, in that case, if you need complex models, if you need detailed models, if you're already familiar with how 3D modeling works and you're trying to take it to the next level, in that case, Rhino 3D is the better option because they have this NURBS modeling system, which will allow you to get more detailed and smooth designs. Now, if we look at industry wise for architecture, SketchUp is the way to go. But again, as I said, if you're looking for more complex things, in that case, Rhino obviously is the better option. For education, again, I would say SketchUp is the better way. Let's say you're teaching to absolute beginners, then in that case, if you're starting from the bottom, then SketchUp is the way to go. Now, again, we have to think about budget. If you have a limited budget or no budget at all, SketchUp does have a free version, which you can do. But Rhino 3D, obviously, it has a cost. I would say go look up and see which one. But again, as I said, if you're looking for something simple and just standard SketchUp, but if you're looking for the next level, then obviously Rhino 3D. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one.